Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer, Star Steady Berries, and we have another event, and it's for a 50th birthday party, kind of camouflage theme. So we just took off with the gold and green, and this is just a synopsis of how things went. And of course we did the standard cleaning of the berries, sanitation of the area, etc. You know how that goes. But look, this is how they turned out, and I did each berry a little different. I don't think I did them exactly the same, and they were a hit from the planner. And guys, I really liked them. They were absolutely sweet, and I took a little deal and some paper, and I stuffed in some shredded. I stuffed the numbers, and then I decorated. So yeah guys, this is how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe. Until next time, bye.